I'm in Sparks, Nevada, looking at the rifles here in Sid's truck stop. So this is the Elvis Presley collection. That's Elvis Presley. Those were his pistols. Some collectibles. Then we start here. Oh, Winchesters. 30-30s. These old collectibles. Then you go down here. This is the Pearl Harbor commemorative wall. That's the USS Arizona before they sunk it. That's the USS Arizona after they sunk it. And there it is again. And this flag was flown over the Arizona Memorial in Honolulu, 1990. Look at that. That's on Navy. 45 ACPs. Japanese hand grenades. U.S. pineapple. Japanese mortar. U.S. Navy. Look at that one. Colt Mustang. 3 come. Then there's more. Those are Canadians.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's old black powder right there. It's a Civil War commemorative wall. The black cylinder. Then this is the Native American commemorative wall. Right there. Comanche carbine, Apache, Cherokee, Cheyenne. So the natives, they decorate their rifles with studs like that, rivets. Look at this one here. That's the 7th Cavalry right there. And these are the gunfighters. Theodore commemorative. That's Wild Bill Hickok. That's when he was a lawman. That's Bat Masterson. And of course, that's Wyatt Earp. Wyatt Earp. So this is the Wyatt Earp Bun Line Special. It's for the western states. Kansas, Shawnee Trail, Santa Fe, Chisholm Trail. This is all when they're running the cattle and back in the west. That is a Winchester octagon rifle barrel. It's a 38. Then that one there is a Model 94. 1894 to be exact. 3030. And this is, see that fishtail butt? That's an old Buffalo rifle. It's big, octagon barrel. And this is Buffalo Bill's show when he used to do back in the after the cowboy days. That's Annie Oakley. That's Buffalo Bill himself. And this is what they shot. It's pretty. Wow. These are special made. And then in the end, of course, it's gonna be the great American John Wayne. Even up to now, when it comes to people, when they survey people to identify, to name a movie star, he's number 7. They still remember him. Even kids know who John Wayne is. Commemorative. He was a big man. That's a young picture of him. That's a John Wayne Armed Forces commemorative.